25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Northern Franklin, northern St. Lawrence, and southwestern St. Lawrence counties. When? From 7 a.m. Monday to 1 a.m. Tuesday. The strongest winds will be from 1 p.m. through 7 p.m. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Scattered power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. During the strongest winds, it's best to stay indoors and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. People are urged to secure loose objects that could be blown around or damaged by the wind. This is a wind advisory for the following areas.